Every year the Boy Scouts have what's called a Pinewood Derby. The Pinewood Derby allows for very small pieces of pine to have a couple of wheels, go down a track. Last couple of years we haven't done so well, so this year we've created what's called an Outlaw Car. It's clearly illegal, but it's a lot of fun. So here we have a 64 millimeter electrical ducted fan. We have a receiver for this LED remote. This is a LiPo battery, an Arduino chip which runs the program, listening to the input from the receiver, sending power to the electric speed controller, which dictates how the fan runs. We've got some software that will basically send a burst of power for the number of seconds which are pushed once the speed controller is armed. I have all the batteries disconnected, and I will go ahead and connect those. Okay, similar to a drone, the fan and the ESC must be put into what's called armed mode, meaning basically a sequence of events that will ensure that it's not dangerous. When you turn it on, it doesn't just take off flying. So same thing here. We had to write a program to basically arm it in the same way that we would have done with remote control. So what we've done is we've programmed button pushes to blink the LED so that we can know the state, since we don't have a user interface. So if I press 0 here, it's going to make sure that it's armed and should flash 4 times. I got to point it to the LED here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now all I have to do is push 1, 2, or 3, and the fan will take off. So I'm going to try to do this with 2 hands because it's going to really shoot a hurricane of air. So I'll go for 1 second. Whoa. Let's try 2 seconds. Again, I have to kind of go really fast. So press 2. See if I can. And that is the Arduino EDF fan.